Namaste student. Today we're going to learn a new chapter. Here we have fraction. So definition of fraction, let's start with the definition. What does it mean? A number of the form p by q where p and q are natural number is called fraction. So before knowing about the p by q, you look at here p and q are what? Natural number. Do you know what is natural number? Yes, the counting number are called natural number. Start with what? Start with 1 2 3 4 5 6 and it will continue. Okay, these are natural number. Now any number which are of the form of p by q, using this number, like if I'll take 3 for p and 5 for q, that is 3 by 5. What is this? Fraction. So if I'll take any number like 1 1 11 and take 13, so is it a fraction? Yes, it is a fraction. So if I'll take 13 up and 11 down, if I'll take 5 up 3 down, is these are a fraction? Yes, they are fraction. Okay, so if I'll say 1 by 5 or 1 by 3, are they fraction? Yes, they are fraction. That means any number of the form, a number of the form p by q where p and q are natural number, that means your number should be natural. If I'll say so 0 by 5, no beta, it is not a fraction. Why? Because 0 is not a natural number. You see, your number start from 1, so it must be 1 2 3 4, any number. Okay, but not 0, not minus, nothing like that. Okay, minus p 5. Sir, if I'll write here minus 3 by 5, is it a fraction? No, it is not a fraction. We'll learn this one. It is a real number, not real number. Yeah, it's a real number also and is a rational number also. We'll learn later, not now. Our syllabus talk about only fraction. Okay, so next we're going to see that fraction equals to what? Numerator by denominator. That means 5 by 3, here 5 by 3, 5 is a numerator and 3 is a denominator in this case. And if we'll go for this one, 3 by 5, then 3 is your numerator and 5 is a denominator. Okay, here we have another definition. A fraction is a part of a whole. That means if you take any part, that means take a cake and cut that cake into 4 equal pieces. Remember, equal piece, it should be equal, cutting should be equal. Okay, 4 equal pieces or 5 equal pieces or 7 equal pieces, any number of equal pieces you can cut it. Then if you take any part of it, either you take 1 piece, either you take 2 piece, either you take 3 piece or a whole piece, then the piece, the part of a whole, see, fraction is a part of a whole, is a part of a whole. This is a part and this is your whole thing. So here fraction can be represented by using number, figure or words. So here we have figure, you can see this is in figure. We can represent this one in a number. So total, you see, this one will be what? This whole part you have cut into how many pieces? 1 2 3 4. So total will be at denominator place. And now you count how many you have shaded here. Only one, so that is 1 by 4. If you go for this one, shaded portion we're going to find. Okay, so if you go for this, you can see that 4 part are there. Yes, and you can see that shaded part is what? How many? 2 right here. Again total 1 2 3 4 4. How many shaded part are there? 3. This is your 3. So this is your 3 by 4, 2 by 4, 1 by 4. Now if you write this fraction in words, then how are you going to write? 1 by 4? No, The word representation is quite different. See, 1 will write 1, and you go for the fourth, so we'll write here fourth, Forth. Okay, see, it is your 1, so there will be no s. If I'll go for this one, how are you going to write? 2, then 4, and th you use here, and s also. Why, sir? Because it is more than 1. If we go for this one, 3, so 3 fourth. Okay, so if let's try to know more about this word problem. So what I have told here, fraction is a part of a whole. So if you'll take a biscuit and you cut one part this much and your other part bigger in size, okay, you can see that this is your word is not in equal part. This is quite smaller in size and these are quite bigger in size. So you cannot say that, sir, this will be your 1/3. Then totally wrong. Why? Because it is not equally cut. So make it fraction, it should be equally cut. Then only we can say that yes, sir, it is a fraction. If we cut it in a equal pieces, now you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal pieces. Then you can say that this one has what? 1/5. And if we shade more 2, then how many total? You can see that for this one, 1, 2, 3, that means 3, and total is 5, 3/5. Now if you want to write this one in word, how are you going to write 3/5? No, I'm going to write, take 3, numerator should be normal, 3 the way it is there, 3 will write, and the denominator will write 5 is there, we're going to write fifth, 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 and there should be s. Why, sir? Because 3 is 12 from. If I'll take 1/5, then we're going to write 1, and this will be your fifth only, no s. Okay, so I hope that you have understood. Okay, thank you.